Beauty is all around us. Just take a moment and see it, and let it inspire your soul. What's up, you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Nika. If you are new here, hey girl, hey. If you are returning, welcome back, welcome back. Y'all my stamp makers. So yeah, hey stamp makers, welcome in. Your girl is off today, and I'm like, listen, let me get some footage. I do need to record or edit a video of me doing my locks, and I just want to, I'm gonna do it like a day in my life, I guess. Or this ain't what my everyday looks like, but I'm just gonna give you a day that I have when I'm off. So this morning I tried to take my fur baby to the groomers. They were booked, so we didn't make it. And then I went back home. I had to repot my plants. I had to repot 4 of my plants, 2 new ones, and then repot 2 other ones that was on the verge of dying because of the pots that I bought. It was like, oh, it has this, you know, the drainage in it. Me not realizing I was supposed to untwist it so it could drain. So pretty much I kind of killed them because they're overwatered, because the water never went anywhere. Yeah, so the soil was just moist, so I had to do that. Then I just left the gym, okay, period. And then now I am about to go get a facial. I wanted to get a massage, but they didn't have a massage available for me. I was going to Hand and Stone. It was a membership. You pay $80 a month and you can get either a facial or a massage. I have since then canceled it, and I have 3. She said I have 3 passes that I can use still. So I'm gonna just get the facial today and then go back and get a massage when I can. And then we have an event later, so I'm gonna try to bring you along for that as well. Yeah, that's how my day is looking. In between time, in the meantime, I have to get some videos recorded for my TikTok. Yeah.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She's
Oh my god, that facial was 10 out of 10, baby. Okay, so I just left a meeting in the car wash, drinking my tea. It's actually a medicine ball. But then I'm going to go work out again. Bow, 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 bow. Y'all probably can't hear me, so I'm gonna come back. I call this piece the road less seen. I stand at the edge of a dream I thought was too far to touch. Feet bare, calloused by the rough ground beneath me, a path winding unseen by most, ignored by many. But I walked. I walked when the night was cold, when the road turned to dusk and hope was just a faint echo in the wind. You see, my story didn't start with bright lights or silver spoons. It started with whispers in dark rooms, with people telling me what I could never be. That dream is not for you. You're not made for that. But what they didn't know was that the roughest soil produces the deepest roots. I wasn't born into ease. I was born into a maze, twisting, turning corners where hope seemed to lose its way. I didn't know the word dream could be bitter in someone's mouth until they said it to me with pity, like I was destined to stay small, stay unseen. But I took those words and I folded them like paper airplanes. I let them fly. I sent them flying into the sky because I knew one thing: the sky doesn't judge the flight. It only holds spaces for those brave enough to soar. All right, so I washed my face. I used this, Replenix acne wash. It's benzoyl peroxide up to 10%. Y'all, as y'all could tell, I get hormonal acne bad, and when I eat horrible, it's all right here. So it's hasn't been really going down because I just been, yeah. Anyways, then I use the COLLABS toner, and I also use the Dr. Dennis breakout solution, and then I'm going to use the COLLABS Mucinex. And I forgot that my skin was doing so good when I was just using the COLLABS. I just need to go back to using it. And then I need to stop wearing certain foundations until it clears up. So I've been using my Ilia. That's a clean beauty one, and it doesn't like irritate the bumps because it has, what does it have in it? Alletone or whatever, I believe is in there. Yeah, because right now these are inflamed, annoyed, everything. But I also have a prescription, these prescription pads that I wipe on my face too when it's like this. And so by the morning time it'll be down, but then by the nighttime again it's like back up. Listen, sick of my face. Not really sick of my face, but I'm sick of it doing this because we need this. We need this face. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use my Glow lip glow. I actually need to create some more of these because they are the bee's knees. This is I Am Grateful Every Day. Yeah. So I put that on, and then I'm going to use, this is something, I was going to use this glycolic acid. This is for the morning. I'm just going to use my Skin Fix. I love this. I do. Very moisturizing. It's a vegan brand too, so no added anything. Yeah. And that's that. You guys see me doing that spoken word clip in my previous clip. I need to continue doing that before I go to bed. And yeah, this is what we looking like. I'm going to try to retwist my hair tonight. If not, I'm going to do it tomorrow. But this is what we got. Yeah. You know, like Home Alone. But yeah, I'm going to leave you guys how I always leave you. Thank you for tuning in. Check up on a loved one. Tell somebody you love them. Pay it forward. Smile at somebody. You never know what people are dealing with. People deal with silent battles every day. So be a positive light. Spread positivity. And you know what it is. Live, love, laugh. Bye.